Hi guys, it's Jazz. So today we're going to be replacing the battery on this iPhone X. The battery has swollen so much so that it has cracked the screen and pushed it outward. So I start with turning the device off and putting on the heat pad for a little while. Then I take the panel loops out and start prying the screen up. And yep, look at that. Huge, like a pillow. Very, very bad. So I'm going to start by removing the plate screws, keeping them in nice and neat order. Disconnect the battery, lift the screen cables, lift the ear sensor, and make sure there's not any tears in there since we had a swollen battery. Now I'm going to put the phone on the heating pad for a little while and pour some alcohol behind the battery and pull it right up. Clean up the old adhesive. Give it a good scrubbing. Apply the new battery that already comes with adhesive. Put in the right position. Make sure it connects. Disconnect it so I don't have any issues. Now I'm going to prep the screen and lay my seal. I'm going to check if the screen had any true tone information. No, it does not. So I'm going to go ahead and build a screen. I'm going to plug everything in, give it another test before I seal it. Very important to test it out before I close it because it can also have a looping issue if there's any damage at all to the ear speaker light sensor flex. Make sure that it boots up all the way. And there you go, boots up all the way, and it is only unavailable for 5 minutes, which is good for the customer. That happens when you damage the screen so much that the touch screen just goes haywire and types in your password a bunch of times wrong. Luckily, this customer will not have to wait long to get back into his phone. And there you go. I'm going to put a free screen protector on. Every screen repair here at TrueTech comes with a free screen protector. And there we go. Check the charging. Make sure we use the charger. All done.